Good morning. It's an exciting day. Last night the extractor showed up, so I got the extractor all put together, got it all cleaned up, and we are good to go. So today we're going to be pulling some frames off the hive and harvest some honey today. They were getting pretty full. I was getting concerned because being the first year, I don't have a lot of excess frames. I do have some excess frames, but not a ton of them. So I was they were starting to get pretty full, so I was starting to get kind of nervous. So anyway, so today we're going to get in there. We're going to pull some frames, run back to the house. We'll go through the extraction process, and then come back here and put it back in. So looking forward to it. So I don't have a bee escape built this year, so I'm just doing the quick shake and brush method to get the bees off. So we've got a full thing of honey here, some bees on it. I will just give them a quick shake. And then brush off what's remaining on here. I don't think they appreciate the fun it is, but it's one way of getting the honey. And then we'll take it back to the house and extract it. Well, I got basically got one box off, 10 frames off of that. This box that's on here right now, these frames that are on here right now are still pretty empty because I pulled some frames, I don't know, about 2 weeks ago. I think I pulled some frames because they were running out of room. So these are pretty empty. I'm going to let them keep working on these, and I'll go extract what's in those 10 today, and then bring the box back later for them to clean up. But I'm going to button these guys up, and then we'll move on to hive number 1. Always my favorite hive. Alright, this is hive number 1. Never been my happiest to see me hive. They don't appreciate me as much as the rest of them. But we're going to steal a little honey from them today, which I'm sure they'll appreciate. So, see what we've got going on here. It's all honey there. You can see that or not. That's all capped honey there. A little bit of open down at the end. Wow, look at that. Just all capped. Get these guys off there. We'll keep moving. Again, all full honey. It's imperative that I get all the bees off, because I've got to transport them back to my house in my car, and I don't want a lot of bees flying around me when I'm driving my car. That I don't want. And then same thing when I get back to the homestead, when I'm extracting them in the garage, I don't want a lot of bees out and about flying around while I'm trying to extract the honey from them. So it's imperative that I get these guys out of there. Looks like they're still working on all of this. I'm not going to mess with this next box. I'm going to let them keep working this. All the goldenrod is out right now, so I've got enough frames to go back, extract them. That way I will have frames to put on here as they start filling it up with the goldenrod. So I'm going to button this up right now and get out of here and go back and start first time extracting. Alright, I'm going to pack up all my garbage and then see you back at the garage. And I got my extractor yesterday, and we'll load up the extractor and spin them down. It holds 6 mediums radially or 3 mediums tangentially, so 3 deeps, I'm sorry. So up to 9 frames inside there. So we'll give it a shot here and see if we can't get some honey. So the goal is to get the caps off of all the honey area here. You've got to get all these caps broken so that the honey can run out when it runs through the spinner. So I'm using an electric knife this year, and I would say I'm not the best at it yet, but working through it. Cameras on both sides. So that gets a majority of it off, and then I come back with a fork, and anywhere where it hasn't broken the cells, I just manually go around and hit those. And these don't get hit because the bees didn't build it out past the wood far enough for the knife to be able to cut it. So they're too far in. So I'll just go ahead and crack those all open. That way the honey can flow out of those cells, and we can recover it. And then from here, I'm going to load this up into the extractor. Closed. So the honey is going to come through here. It's going to catch any wax clippings and anything else as it goes down in the bucket. Everything's been cleaned, everything is food grade, so we'll start it up slow, and it should start spinning it out to the sides. You can definitely smell the honey coming out. See, it's starting to throw stuff out to the sides. So we're just filling up a bunch of half pints, a lot of them to give away to people. It's our first year. I don't have any fancy containers, just going with the regular half-pint canning jars, since we are giving a lot of it away. And there it is. A whole summer of watching bees and seeing what they do. And a little bit of return at the end of the year.